Good morning, my dear children. I'm here again to teach you the subject EVS. So open your EVS book, page number 37. So today we'll continue the chapter. As yesterday I started a new chapter 6, our neighborhood. So I hope you all have understood. Neighborhood, our neighborhood. Neighborhood means the places around our house. Okay, form a neighborhood. Neighborhood means the places around our house. And also in a neighborhood we see different places. Different places are found in a neighborhood, like a park, market, school, post office, hospital, police station, and again there are many more places. Okay, so yesterday we completed till here, so today we will continue now. Page number 37. Let's read. Good to know means it is good for you all to know. So let's read. A fruiterer sells fruit. A fruiterer sells fruits. A greengrocer sells vegetables. A greengrocer sells vegetables. A baker bakes buns and cakes. A baker bakes buns and cakes. Okay, those who sell fruits, we call them fruiterer. Okay, and those who sells vegetables, we call them greengrocer. And those who sells buns and cakes, we call them baker. Okay. Again, just checking question is there. Let's see. Where do you play in the evening? Where do you play in the evening? We play in the park. No? During evening time we play in the park and all. Number B. Where do you go to buy fruits? Where do you go to buy fruits? To buy fruits and all, where do we go? We go to a market. Number C. Where do children go to study? Where do children go to study? School. No, it is very simple. I'll send you this question answer afterwards. Okay. Now let's continue. People in our neighborhood. People in our neighborhood. Different people do different jobs in our neighborhood. Different people do different jobs in our neighborhood. Means that there are many people who do different jobs. No? All are not doing the same job. Or different people do different jobs. So what are they? Let's see. They help us in many ways. They help us in many ways. A teacher teaches children in a school. A teacher teaches children in a school. As you all know, who is teaching you in the school? Teacher. A doctor treats sick people in a hospital. A doctor treats sick people in a hospital. Whenever we feel unwell, where do we go? We go to a hospital. No? So in hospital, who take care of us? Doctor. Doctor treats us. No? He looks after us. It means he treats us. Okay? A doctor treats sick people in a hospital. A postman delivers letters and parcel. A postman delivers letters and parcel. So what does a postman do? He brings letters and parcel. Okay. A farmer grows crops and vegetables. A farmer grows crops and vegetables. Farmer. What does he do? He grows crops and vegetables. A tailor stitches our clothes. A tailor stitches our clothes. We wear different types of clothes, no? So who do stitch that clothes? Tailor. A tailor stitches our clothes. A plumber repairs taps and water pipes. A plumber repairs taps and water pipes. Now, if sometimes at home, I think you all have seen, if there occurs any problem in the pipes and all, water pipes and all, whom we call a plumber. Okay, because a plumber, he repairs taps and water pipes. A carpenter makes things out of wood. A carpenter makes things out of wood. We see different kinds of furniture in our home, no? So who makes that? Carpenter. A cleaner cleans the roads and streets. A cleaner cleans the roads and streets. Sometimes we see a person cleaning the roads and streets, no? So they are cleaner. Okay. A fireman helps to put out a fire. A fireman helps to put out a fire. A policewoman protects and helps people. A policeman or policewoman protects and helps people. So you can see in this picture different person. See, teacher, plumber, teacher who teaches in a school, plumber who repairs taps and water pipes, carpenter, he makes furnitures and all, policeman, he protects us, policewoman, fireman, he puts out the fire, postman, he delivers letters and parcels, doctor, he treats the sick people, cleaner, he do the cleaning of roads and streets. Okay, so we see a different profession, and all these people live in our neighborhood. Okay, people in our neighborhood, we see all these people in our neighborhood. Okay. Turn the page number 38. Everyone in the neighborhood has something important to do. Everyone in the neighborhood has something important to do. All of us together can make the neighborhood a wonderful place to live in. For this, we must follow certain rules. Keep the neighborhood clean. Do not litter in the open. Respect everyone. Be polite to everyone. So what he said, that to live happily in a neighborhood, we must follow these rules. Okay, we must keep our neighborhood clean. We should not litter in the open places and all. We should respect everyone, and we must be polite with everyone. Okay, be polite to everyone. So the chapter is completed. So in this chapter, what we learn is that we learn about neighborhood. Neighborhood means the places around our house, and there are different places around our neighborhood, like this park, market, school, post office, hospitals, police station, no? And also we see different people in our neighborhood, means different people doing different jobs in our neighborhood. We see some of them are teacher, some are plumber, carpenter, policeman, policewoman, fireman, postman, doctor, cleaner. We see all people staying in a living in a neighborhood. Okay, and also to live together happily in a neighborhood, we must follow some rules, like we must always keep our neighborhood clean, we should not litter, we must respect everyone, and we should be polite to everyone. Okay, so the chapter is completed. So all this work we'll do in the next video. Okay, so the chapter is completed. I'll send you the question answer of these notes tomorrow. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.